Hello everyone. So this video is about what the HFT indicator is, and moreover the question is how do I look at these numbers, okay, in the HFT indicator. So like here 84.4 CR of put writing and 47.5 CR of call buying, and again here today posted 129 CR of call writing and 72.5 CR of put buying. So how do I look at these numbers, okay? And so first let's get to the HFT indicator. What was the motivation behind it was that like to track the smart money in options in real time, okay? And now that is deterministically not possible. I also agree. So that's what so what we have done is we have built a probabilistic model, okay? So with a high probability it will tell us that some smart money has made positions here, whether the position is call writing or call buying or put writing or put buying, and again like approximately what those positions are worth it, okay? So again I'm saying that these might not be the exact figures, so no big institution is coming and telling me that you see we have taken such positions and these positions are worth this, okay? So no, so we are like whatever data we have in real time, so we are trying to analyze it with our model, and we are publishing this data in real time, okay, with the help of on the tradingview.com platform, with the help of our indicator HFT algo scanner, okay? So now if you look at here, that is another thing was that we get the OI data every 3 minutes starting from 9:18 in the morning, okay? So the first OI data comes at 9:18 and then at 9:21, and also the OI data also contains like all these positions of FIIs, the big players, the small players, as everyone, the retail traders, everyone. So but the main problem was it's delayed. It's delayed by 3 minutes. So now this is absolute real time. Like here at right at 9:15 a.m. in the morning, we got to know here. That is, now if you hover over these bars in the HFT pen, you will get to know the numbers. If you see here, there are 4 types of colors, as you can see. Okay, so the light red and the light green. So red means bearish. So that's why like you can easily remember light red means call writing. Okay, so the light ones are the writing. So similarly light green is the put writing, and dark green is the put buying, and dark red is dark green is the call buying, and dark red is the put buying, okay? So red means bearish, green means bullish, as simple as that, and light color means writing and deep color means buying. Even if you forget, there is a table on the right here in the corner, as you can see. So in short it's written LG, which means light green, put writing, LR means light red, call writing, and so these 4 colors. So even if you forget, so the table is there to help you. Now coming back here, that is if you hover over this bar here, so right at 9:15 we got to know 52.4 CR of call writing happened. So this is the number. If you see, like you can very well see 524,011,096.38, okay? Again here deep red is saying that 21.8 CR of put buying also happened, okay? And so again, those who will now tell me that after the market hours it's very easy to say all these things and maybe your indicator repaints. So for you all, like the repainting question, this indicator does not repaint. The proof is like you go to our YouTube channel and go to the live section, okay? I've done several live streams on YouTube during the live market hours and I've shown you, okay? So just go and check, it doesn't repaint. That is the first thing. And talking about today's like you would say that after the market hours everyone is an expert. So okay, fine, I also agree with you. So you go and check out my post, okay? So this is the like if you check this was the first post of sorry, not that one. Here, this was the first post of the day, okay? And you can go and check out the time of the post and then what happened. Even not only that, this, not this one specially, yeah, this one, okay? Right there some put writing happened and I clearly said how much of put writing and call buying happened, and it went up. So just go and check out the time of the post. You have the time of the post here. Go and check out where where was Nifty, and after that where did Nifty go. And even here as well, like yeah, time for the bulls to be cautious, like right there at the top again, the short positions formed. So yes, you can go and check out the live posts as well, and also I do live streams as well. So so there's no question about the integrity part. So now coming back to the indicator, okay, again here, look at here, if you see, that is 58.4 cr of call writing happened and 75.8 cr of put buying happened, okay. And also here, if you see some green bars, yes, there also some put writing happened, but what happens is that compared to the short positions, the long positions were very small, okay. So these are also big players, but among the big players or the big sharks, there are small, like among the sharks, there are bigger sharks and smaller sharks also, okay. So we should focus on the bigger sharks, whoever is placing a bigger bet, okay. So we should focus on that, okay. So that's the idea. And if you see the numbers beside it, like sell of strength 2 to 6, buy 3, so those indicate strength, okay. The strengths are like on a scale of 1 to 10, the strengths are like numbered. So we usually follow strength greater than or equals to 2. If I keep it 1, so there will be more noise, more signals would be coming, so we keep it greater than equals to 2. If you want, you can also keep it greater than equals to 1 as well, okay. And now the coming back to the main thing, that is these writing positions, like as you can see, like there are like 4 colors, okay. So call writing, put writing, and call buying and put buying. So these signals that you see currently on my chart, so they are based on the writing data, okay. So writing data, I mean, like here, this bar, if you see, it's 129 cr of call writing happened, okay, and this bar is 87.5 cr of call writing happened. So we are like only taking the call writing and the put writing data to publish this buy and sell position things, okay, the signals on the chart. Now why? Mainly because the big institutions, they have a lot of money, okay. So like with huge money, they don't usually buy, okay. Yes, I'm not denying they don't at all buy options, but mostly they sell, okay, because retailers mostly buy options, okay, due to this margin or requirement of huge capital to sell. So retailers mostly buy and the big institutions mostly sell, okay. So this is the scenario, okay. So this is some kind of hypothesis that we consider, and so that's why we print these signals with the help of the this writing data. If you want to print the signals with the help of the buying data also, then you can check mark this in the settings. So it's all there, like the settings, whatever you want, however you want to customize, it's all there. So you will get all these signals with respect to the buying data as well, okay. So now coming back to our initial setup, okay. So now as you can see, like again, like I posted this, it went up there, again I posted these two and it nicely went down, okay. Here also, if you see, there was a sell of strength 8 was there. So look at, it was 107 cr of call writing and 88.7 cr of put buying, okay. Again sell strength 2, and again there was a slightly up move, and I mean, again here, if you notice, someone did call writing and put buying, and also someone did call buying and put writing as well, okay. But this was some kind of like big player, as you can see, and they tried to take it up, but again, like finally not much, but yes, somewhat they took it. And again, like if you see here, that is again the sell signal came in, and this is how it went throughout the day. Now the main thing is that this not only works in like Nifty, it also works in BankNifty as well. You have in BankNifty also a similar setup there, okay. So in FinNifty also it's there, but FinNifty, yeah, so better to avoid, because very few positions are formed in FinNifty. Even in Sensex also you have the setup, and so you can also what you can do is you can go for like Nifty Sensex. You can pair Nifty Sensex or Nifty BankNifty and see, like when both places the similar signal occurs, so it's a very good sign, okay. So even if you see, look at the start of today, so today's start, in Nifty, BankNifty, Sensex, everywhere we got the sell signal. And so I mean, when you see that smart money is shorting all the three indices or any two indices almost at the same point, okay, it might be like somewhat at the same point, or it might be a gap of like, let's say, 5 minutes also, okay. So that is also a strong signal. And moreover, this is model 1, which is this model 1 works on any TradingView account, even the free basic one as well. And we have other models as well. So but this model is the primary model, and this is the I mean, flagship indicator. HFT, out of all the indicators, this is the flagship indicator. And mostly we follow model 1, and along with it we also follow model 5, okay. But mostly we follow model 1. You have other models as well, but as I said, like all you have to do is like follow model 1, and if you want to like follow model 5 also, that also you can do. Personally, yes, I also follow model 5, and check out that if I'm getting some different kind of signals there as well. And moreover, not only that, like you also have these kind of like support and resistance, dynamic support and resistance also, so which works like a charm. If I show you, like, so those also you can work with, okay. So let's, and also you have the table, the yellow table you can see on the right hand side here, okay. So this is, we are going in replay mode in like 3x, okay. So that's why it's going fast. And yes, you also have this table on the right, which will tell you the what happened in the last 60 candles. That means if I'm on a 1 minute chart, so that means it's last 1 hour what happened. And then the days total is also there, so that also helps you. And if you want to change the last 60 minutes to anything, so you can also do that in the settings as well. So instead of 60, you can put 30 and whatever you wish, okay. So as I said, like you can customize the settings as per your wish. If you want, you can also pull the signals to, let's say, your Telegram group, or Telegram, your personal Telegram channel, or whatever you have, okay. So you can do that as well. And not only that, like you can also have a background color as well if you want to keep the background color, so that shows the overall like trend in the market or trend of the chart, okay. So that also you can do. And you will see that yeah, so you will see that like there are like gaps here. So those gaps are the neutral zones, okay. And this is red one is the bearish, and the green ones are the bullish, okay. So that is the thing. And so this is what I was talking about. Like as you can see, these lines are forming, as you can see the green line, and you got a buy signal, and as long as it's over the green line, so it's a good sign. And even like for a short like if you want a short sign, so suppose if you have a sell signal and you see that a resistance line has come and a sell signal and it's moving down, so then also it's a good sign. So these are the things that you can take the advantage, and you can you can use it as per your analysis. And not only that, like if you, let's look at here, that is, just look at this one, that is 9:15, okay. So 9:15, if you look at here, that is the sell signal came in, right? So if I look at the call data, so look at what 9:15, so this is 23,500, okay. So from almost from 250 it went down to, let's say, 133, okay. Even for the put, almost from 45 it went up to 82 or 83, okay. So you can also compare the other signals as well. Even let's look at this 1037, the buy signal came in, and this is 1037. So 23,500 call, so it went from 142 to here like 200, more than 200. The put 23,500, again if you see like 1037, so it's here. So from 1037, so again from 75 it went down to like almost 43 or 44. So you can also compare the signals for the rest of these Sensex and everything. And not only that, like for the past performance also, if you go here and check out like these past performance, like the last day, I mean just before the 3 p.m. selling that happened, the MSCI rebalancing. So in Sensex we got the sell signal right at I mean 259. Okay, so if you want to even look at on the chart, so yes, so what we should do is like here at 259 came, but the original signals would be like, if I put 75,500, so 75,500, so then you will get to know there. So what happened exactly? So here, if you see here, so that cell of strength 4 came in. Okay, so now it's saying that change the current market price. So what happens is that the ATM, we have made it dynamic, but since like only 40 like strikes can be taken at a time due to trading view like limitations, so that's why like within a range, so it's a very big range. Within that range you don't have to change the ATM or anything, so it will work fine. Like today I didn't have to change the ATM of Nifty. So but when you have to change it, like the message will come, so you don't have to worry about anything. So the message will appear and then you have to change it to the current market price or near about that. Okay, so like here now I can just simply put like 74,800 or 74,500, anything like 74, let's say 700. Okay, and yeah, and you will see that the current market price that vanished. Okay, and so that is the overall view. And so I think yeah, I have discussed everything about this HFT indicator. And again, if you want to know like more about this HFT indicator, and also the next question is like, what should we do like about the SL thing, risk management and everything. So see, what you can do is, first of all, as I have also discussed in the videos, that is you will get it in the description of this video. That is, I have discussed that whenever you get a signal, don't jump right into it. Okay, so just wait for a little bit, because if some big guys have shorted, so they will definitely take the market in the direction. And if they fail, yes, again I'm not saying that the big institutions, they don't fail, they also fail. Okay, so but I mean with a high probability they win. Okay, so that is the main thing. And so like let's say out of 10 signals, if 8 signals work, so I mean that is good for me. And so all I have to do is like I have to wait a little, so that like I can see that suppose a sell signal has come in here, I'll just wait a little and see if the charts are bending in the direction, so it's a good to go. I know that why so here someone can say that then why do I need your indicator? If I can see the charts going down, I'll just short. So the main point is that after that someone big institution has shorted, I know how much bet they have placed, whether it's a very big one or a medium one. So and after that, when I'm seeing that the charts are going in the direction, I have the full confidence to grab that move. Okay, so because I know that I mean some big institutions are there who have taken positions there. Okay, so that helps a lot in gaining confidence or whatever you say. So that is the thing. And again like here, so sell strength 8 came in and it's going down. And so like at every signal, it's not like I have to trade. So if I've grabbed a certain portion of this move, I'm not saying you should grab it right from the start to the end. If I'm able to grab a certain portion of this move, and like this, if I can, let's say like if my target is 30 points in a day to grab or something, so let's say 10 points 3 times, or let's say 6 to 7 points 5 times. Okay, so like you get several opportunities. And not only that, like you can also check out the past performance as well. So just go and check out the past videos and the past performance. So it's not like today it went it worked beautifully or something. So I've been posting the past performance, the full performance every day. So just go and check out. Like here, as you can see, the last day, the Sensex. Okay, so that's why like you don't have any confusion that whether this thing works or not, or any question about it. And so that is the beauty of this indicator, that it's a leading one. Okay, so before the move you are getting the signal. Okay, and that's why like it's a unique of its kind, because what happens is that most of the indicators are like the anything like you take super trend or any RSI, sometimes it's a leading one, but mostly like the average or VWAP, whatever you say, so it takes the price. And whenever the price goes into the bearish zone, so I mean according to the parameters, they say that now, I mean they become red. But here the main important thing is that like you are getting the signal way ahead of the move. Okay, so like almost at the bottom or almost at the top, before the move occurs, before the actual move has started occurring. Okay, so like here if you put this suppose you put the super trend on the chart, so you'll see here it will be green, but our indicator gave the sell signal. Okay, so it showed us that some big institutions are taking short positions there right at the top, and that top was made and market came down. Okay, so right at the top or right almost right at the bottom, you're getting the signal for the reversals. Okay, and so that's why like it's a unique of its kind. And again, if you want to opt for it, all you have to do is go to our website, and you whichever plan suits you, 6 months, 12 months or 9 months, you just grab it, and you get the access ASAP. But what the advantage is that your membership starts the next trading session. Like suppose you want to take it on a Friday, okay, or maybe you are waiting that tomorrow I'll take it. So instead of tomorrow, you can just simply take it today, and like you have the whole night to play it on the charts and set it up and everything. And so like your membership count starts from the next trading session. So even like if someone is planning on a Friday to take it on a Friday, so they think that why should I waste Saturday and Sunday. So if even if you take it on a Friday, so your count starts from the next Monday or the next trading session, whichever it is. And so you don't have to worry about those things. And yeah, and not only this, there are other indicators as well, and there are several other indicators as well, but this is the flagship indicator. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed my live posts. And also like yesterday, day before yesterday, I also did live stream. I hope you like those as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. And again, if you have any queries or questions, and yes, the question about I forgot to answer is what should be the stop loss. So you can use the chart to use the stop loss. For example, let's say if I am getting, let's say I have shorted here, okay, but I did not close it here and it went against. So wherever you're getting the signal, if let's say you keep a point or something, like if the chart is moving more than that, okay, like moving away, let's say 20 points or 30 points more than that, then you keep it as an SL, or maybe you can keep your own SL as well. So it all depends on your risk analysis, risk management, and mostly like also what where you're taking the positions. Is it at the ATM or far out of the ATM? Like some people also sell options very far out of the ATM. So it depends like on various kind of scenarios. So what we are trying, what we are helping you with is the smart money positions in real time. And I think being a trader, if I think you should be easily able to handle your risk management part. But again, if you again, as I said, like wait for the move of after the signal. And also like if you see that the charts are moving against the signal, so you keep some points as stop loss on the charts, or maybe on the premium some percentage of the premium, and use it as your stop loss. And yes, it also sometimes happens that like this type of signal, it goes up, but then again some short positions, or maybe not this short position, and it's again starts coming down. So then what you can do is, once the chart starts coming down again below this level where you got the signal, then again you can short. Okay, so all these are not anything like I'm recommending for you to trade, or based on which you should trade or something. But again, like these are all the strategies and everything that you should follow to use the indicator, okay? And the rest is up to you. So you know the all the risk for trading in options and futures, and yeah. And also you can use this on the futures chart as well. So you don't have to use it on the spot chart. If you use future chart, you can use it there as well. And not only the indices, it also works on stocks as well. But what happens is that more the data, more the option chain has data, so the better it works, because it's a probabilistic model. And it does some machine learning, and so more the data, so more it's helpful for the indicator to track the smart money. And since in options the data points are very few people trade stock options so on a regular basis, so that's why the accuracy is a little bit down there. But again, there also it works. You can check it out if you think that it's good for you, so you can also do that. And you can also analyze the charts with the help of the HFT indicator. But for stocks, we have other indicators as well, and the cash market sentiment, the volume clever, and others as well. You can use those as well. And for mostly trading in the indices in options and futures, so we are using this. And this is 1 minute chart, and if you want to use it on a 2 minute or 3 minutes, so you can also use it there as well. So this was the 3 minutes for today, as you can see. So no signal at the start. Right here we got the signal, and then the sell signal, then this sell signal and buy, and again these buy signals, okay? So better not to go beyond 5 minutes or 3 minutes, okay? Because the more higher the time frame, the lesser number of signals you get, okay? But if you want lesser number of signals, you can definitely go. I personally use the 1 minute time frame. And again, so here more number of signals comes into the play, and so you get to capture most of the reversals from the top and the bottom. And yeah, so that's it for, I think, this video. I have discussed everything. And still, if you have any doubt or queries or anything, so please do comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you want to grab the indicators, so you just have to go to my website, and you have to grab the membership plan. And again, not only that, those who don't have the money to take the membership, for them I post on X. I also come live on YouTube as well as on X, like yesterday, the day before yesterday. And if you're enjoying my analysis, so please don't forget to put a like. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning, and see you in the next one.